Hello and welcome! We're starting our basement bathroom renovation, and the first thing we did was take the door out from this location and move it to the other wall to create better flow. Instead of drywalling this section, I wanted to put in a window, so it's just a narrow door, and then that lets a lot more light in, and we also have the same kind of glass door. Obviously, it's a bathroom, so we want privacy and we don't want people to see through. So in today's video, I'm going to share how you add frosted film to glass in order to create privacy while still letting all the light shine through.
My French doors had a layer of plastic that covered all of the individual windows. First, I had to work on taking this off by scoring the edges and then finding a loose edge and peeling off that section. I had to do this for both sides of every single pane of glass. For this video, I'm using the Gila window kit, which comes with a small cutter, wipes, the spray, and the small squeegee. Extra things you might need include rags or other wipes, a pair of scissors, a good utility knife, Scotch tape, a measuring tape, and of course whichever frosted window film you want to use. After taking off any of the plastic coatings that your glass may have, you want to give everything a good wash. You can use a traditional window cleaner like Windex, but then you're going to have to make sure that it's really cleaned off. The instructions for the Gila window kit say that you need to use the spray to wash it, so I did that as well. From there, you want to measure your piece of glass and then cut the frosted window film a bit bigger than the actual piece. For my first window, the glass pieces were about 7 inches by 13, so I cut 8 by 14-inch pieces. Since these doors had a bevel, I made sure to apply my frosted film on the flat side of the glass. This is where your Scotch tape comes in handy. You're going to put 2 pieces on one side of the frosted film and the liner, and then pull it apart to separate them. From there, you want to spray the window and the frosted film with the Gila Spray. I accidentally sprayed the liner, so you'll see me fix it by using more spray here. If you have a factory edge, you can line it up with your window. Otherwise, you want to overlap a bit so you can cut off the excess. Once the window glass and the frosted film are properly saturated and stuck together, you use the squeegee to push out all of that spray. It's similar to how you install wallpaper, but in this case, the spray helps everything stick together. Once you're satisfied that the air bubbles are out, you use the squeegee to push across the glass or the edge of your window, and then cut off the excess using a utility knife or the included Gila knife. It's easier to use a utility knife because then you can switch out the blade when it starts to get dull. From there, you can add another spray and then push again with the squeegee until it's properly adhered. If you get any air bubbles, you can slowly peel away the film and then add more spray and then redo your squeegee. The Gila kit says you have up to 24 hours to readjust the film, but I found that if I washed it after 20 or 30, it usually stayed the same. Years ago, I installed the same frosted film in the basement window of the same bathroom, and it's held up great. Check out madisonmethod.com for more details and to follow along with this bathroom renovation.